What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Moonriver or Movr, so yeah. It's a weird abbreviation actually. Kind of. So abbreviation is Movr, Movr, as I said. Basically doing this analysis because I saw that Moonriver was relatively bullish against all cryptos. And the volume has gone up by almost 50% as well. I know there's a great community behind the crypto, and I think it's an interesting project as well. We're not going to zoom too much into the project, but I think Moonriver and Moonbeam, both are great projects. Maybe a little bit too overhyped initially. I think they still have a lot left to prove. But yeah, that doesn't mean that they won't prove it. So yeah, basically we're going to do a quick technical analysis, see where it can go in the upcoming days, week and a half. So first two quick disclaimers. First one being that this whole analysis is not financial advice. And second of all, that this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets. So if any big fundamental event happens or fundamental move happens, then please forget about the analysis. So yeah, let's get right into it. So what we did today, we were actually more bullish, went all the way up until 87, which is quite a strong resistance level. It's actually, there's two separate resistance levels above the price as of today. The first one is around that 87, so that's more like 85 up until 87. Then a little bit above that you have the 90, also a little bit psychological resistance level. So to be quite honest, it isn't looking too good for Moonriver. I know it's a little bit of an inflationary token, but to be honest, this is not the inflation they have. They have about 5% inflation per year. As I said, I think it was just initially too overhyped. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. I mean, it does look quite steady right now at around the 70 level. I do think that's going to hold for now. But the main thing we're looking for is breaking that 90. So if we break that, then we'll probably close at around 95. And if we close above that, then we can actually take a break retest of 90. But it's also still valid to take a break retest of 86, 87, 85. And if that happens, my next price target would be around 100. I think 100 is just too much of a psychological resistance level as of right now to break. I mean, it doesn't mean that from that 100 we'll drop down all the way to 70 again, but we could kind of need a consolidation first before going up again. But as I said, before that happens, we need to break that 90 area. And as of right now, it seems to me to be more likely that we kind of do something like this. So we already found support right there at that 77 key level. So yeah, we might actually go to 85 again, although I think it's more likely that we trend down a little bit lower, so to something like this, and then go up again. But yeah, as I said, I do think we'll stay in that consolidation for a little bit longer. Maybe if we line up with the trend line again, so that could also be that the price dips down a little bit lower to somewhere like 93. Maybe if we line up with that, we might have enough of a technical catalyst to actually break 87 and maybe 90 again. But as I said, I think for the upcoming week we'll definitely stay in this consolidation. But then again, you also have the plan for the scenario if that 90 does break. I just wanted to give you that as well. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Moonriver for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.